Okay guys, so I'm going to go over a practice problem from online learning assignment number 1, systems of equations using elimination. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through problem 7 and then I'm going to expect you guys to do problems 8, 9, and 10. You can always message me if you have questions, things like that, or if you're not getting the correct answers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on this problem right here, problem 7 for us. Okay, so I have 5m plus 2n equals negative 10 and 3m plus 2n equals negative 2. The nice thing is that the m's are lined up, the n's are lined up, and then the numbers are lined up. So we don't have to do too much work in rearranging the equation. Okay, for the other problems, like problem 8, for example, you might have to do some rearranging to get the b's and the a's lined up over here in like this problem. But we don't need to worry about that for problem 7. So what I was saying is problem A and problem B have to line up, okay? Alright, so problem 7. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to see what we can combine and eliminate. So looking at this, we have 2n and 2n, right? So we don't need to multiply these equations by anything to get them to have the same number, but in order to eliminate them, we do need to subtract the entire equation. Okay, so I have 5m minus 3m, so that's going to be 2m. 2n minus 2n, well that's 0, but we don't need to write 0, we can just leave it. Negative 10 minus negative 2. Now these two are double negatives, so double negatives are positives. So negative 10 minus negative 2, that's negative 10 plus 2, which is negative 8. Okay, so now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. M equals negative 8 divided by 2. Okay, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Okay, so you may think, oh, I'm done because I have an answer. But remember, you're not just solving for m, you're also solving for n. So you need to pick one equation, it doesn't matter which one of the original equations, and substitute negative 4n for m. So I'm just going to pick the first one. 5 times negative 4 plus 2n equals negative 10. That's negative 20 plus 2n equals negative 10. And then I'm just going to continue to show my work over here. So I end up getting 2n equals positive 10 because I'm going to move negative 20 over to the other side, and when I do that, I get positive 10. So then I divide both sides by 2. N equals 5. Okay, so that means that point of intersection is negative 4, 5. So that means when these two lines are on a graph, and if you want to graph them on Desmos, you can, they will intersect at negative 4, positive 5. And again, if you have questions, just go ahead and message me on Schoology.